How to make fried chicken. To make delicious fried chicken, first clean and cut the chicken into pieces. Then, season it with salt, pepper, garlic powder, and a little paprika. Let it marinate for at least 30 minutes. Next, prepare a bowl of flour and another bowl with beaten eggs. Dip each piece of chicken into the egg, then coat it with flour. For a crispier texture, repeat the process. Heat oil in a deep pan, and carefully fry the chicken pieces until golden brown and fully cooked, about 10–15 minutes. Place the chicken on paper towels to remove excess oil. Serve hot with your favorite dipping sauce. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel Ginheo School.